Hey, I'm Jill for Cable Ties and More, and right now I want to talk a little bit about managing cables that are in areas that can see a fair amount of foot traffic. So obviously, your priorities are going to be to make sure that no one trips or falls over wires, while also keeping your components as safe as possible. Our medium-duty drop-over cord cover is going to satisfy these needs ideally and stay exceptionally versatile and compatible with any area they're placed in. So made of very durable rubber, the simplicity of the design allows you to install or remove the cord cover in only moments. So as you can see, if your cords were laid out here, you really do just line them up with this inside channel and drop it over top. The bottom offers considerable traction, and as you can see, these ends interlock perfectly, so you don't need to worry about modules shifting and pinching the contents. So of course you want these to be physically as unobtrusive as possible to the people who are going to be stepping onto them or over them, and thankfully these are not at all cumbersome. With a channel height of only ½ an inch. Now the channel width is 1½ inches, and with an overall width of 5¼ inches, this is going to really perfectly handle any standard cable that you could be working with while being quite unobtrusive. And of course this raised diamond tread will give people excellent grip when they step on it. So you can get these in lengths of 3 feet or 5 feet, this here is a 3-foot model, and again they are interlocking so they will satisfy any length requirement that you may have. You'll be able to choose colors of black, yellow, or gray. And if you want to draw attention to the cord cover for safety reasons, a really great idea is actually to interchange the colors just to make them more noticeable. So this would be ideal in maybe a plant or a factory setting where you would really want to draw attention to the presence of the cord cover. Now of course there's a really definite possibility that you're going to need your cables to go around corners or maybe objects, so because of that we offer the left and right channel turns, and they're going to allow you to turn your cables at 45-degree angles. So you can really build your turn accordingly. As you can see here, 2 will give you a perfect 90-degree angle. If you are laying your cables across specifically looped carpeting, you may be faced with the worry of getting the cord cover to stick as well as it would when it was on a smooth surface. But thankfully we have you covered at Cable Ties and More with another great product that really complements this, which is the Velcro Coin. So specifically for this, you would purchase the hooked coin, and they have a sticky adhesive on the back, so really just peel it off, take your cord cover, you would stick it really easily to the underside and just place it down on carpet, and it would give you great stick and peace of mind. So the coins can also be utilized on a non-carpeted surface just for extra security, and if that was the case, you would also purchase our looped coins. So the looped would go on your surface, the hook, as we saw before, would go on your cord cover, and they'd come together to give you a great Velcro bond. You wouldn't need to buy many of these. The smallest roll that we have comes in 20, and that would be more than enough. So definitely consider the coins to be complementary to the cord cover, particularly when you know that you'll be encountering that looped carpet. So at Cable Ties and More, we are dedicated to offering you the most quality cable management as possible, and that means at the most cost-effective prices as well. These items are extremely inexpensive, and we are working hard to bring you real savings that will make a definite noticeable difference to you. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you learned how the medium-duty drop-over cord cover can work for you. Please give us a call or do check out our website to see this and many other great items. Take care.